Congratulations, Earth, you just broke a record. The winning number, 61.86 degrees Fahrenheit. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration officially deemed July the hottest month on record, ever. Record keeping started in 1880. So far, 2015 has been on track to be the warmest year ever. Climate scientist Jake Crouch told CNN, "This is reaffirming what we already know. The world is warming. It's continuing to warm." Scientists believe at year's end, we could have seen the highest temperatures to date, and the result of that could be scary. The NOAA believes a storm is brewing in a big way. It all has to do with sea level temperatures and wind direction. Yep, we're under an El Nino advisory in the northern hemisphere. It's hard to know when it might hit, but scientists predict it'll be this winter into early next spring. For Newsy, I'm Katie Link.